Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you're wondering what these are. So they are corn holders. I'm going to show you how I use them. You can find them at the Dollar Tree or Dollarama, or you can buy them online. So I'm going to show you what I do with them. Now this is the corn. It's boiled. You can see the steam coming out. I'm going to put the corn holders now and show you how it goes. So now I'm going to be moving this corn into like a plate. I'll do say 4. Now I have the corn holders here, so I'm going to just put one in here. It's hard. Ooh, like so. It's cute, isn't it? Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh, it's wonky. But there, that's one. I'm gonna put the other one in here. Okay, I think it's better just laying it flat. There you go. So it's better just leaving the corn flat, and then you now attach. Oh, that's weird. Gotta be careful because it's really sharp. It's better for parents to do it, not children, and then you can now give it to them after you're done. So there you have it, a corn holder. Yay! So that's my daughter. Lift it up. Let's see how the corn is. Yeah. So that's how she's going with it. Is it easier? It's better. That way it's not too hot, right? Is that better? Yeah.